Are you an enthusiast fan who enjoys high-quality audio from your Blu-ray disc, wishing for more daily listening, but doesn't want quality loss caused by frequent use? If you have trouble finding ways to convert, don't worry now. In this video, we will present you with an effective method. You may easily acquire high-quality or even lossless digital files from your Blu-ray disc using VideoByte BD-DVD Ripper. Firstly, insert your Blu-ray disc into the device. Then launch VideoByte BD-DVD Ripper. In the main interface, find the Load Blu-ray Disc option in the drop-down bar here and click on it. The program will thus load content from the Blu-ray disc. You should know that the main movie on a Blu-ray disc tends to be a priority selection after you load the disc with VideoByte BD-DVD Ripper. However, you can click here to select your desired Blu-ray videos for alternation or supplementation. After the video option, click here to review the audio track list from the videos and select which tracks require conversion. Now go to Rip All To and find audio here. You can see multiple audio formats on the left column and different quality options in the middle area. Click to choose the right format and output quality that you like. All things settled, now you can click Rip All to begin the audio extraction. Once the process finishes, you can find the converted file in the default output folder. But if you wish to save it in somewhere else, you may reset the output address here, Output Address Setting bar, before pressing the Rip All button. An easy piece of cake, isn't it? VideoByte BD-DVD Ripper is really handy to operate and possesses strong utility functions. Being the only program on the market that supports ripping both DVD discs and Blu-ray discs, it can unlock any DVD or Blu-ray disc protection easily and rip videos and audios in high quality at a quick speed of 6x. Why wait now? Come and give it a try. Don't forget to give a big thumbs up and subscribe for more DVD-related tips. Thanks for watching.